If you're still spending more time cutting, exporting, and juggling apps than you did actually filming, stop. There's a better way. In 2026, you shouldn't be spending 3 to 4 hours per video just to make it shareable. Most creators are bouncing between 5 different tools that should talk to each other but simply don't. Today I tested 5 different AI platforms so you don't have to, and by the end you'll know which one actually fixes the real bottleneck in your workflow. The flex move this year isn't using every shiny AI tool, it's picking the right one. Let's start with FlexClip, which acts as the fast lane for marketers. It's not trying to be a deep, creative playground, it's a structured assembly line. If you run ads, promos, or product teasers where consistency and speed beat endless experimentation, FlexClip gives you templates and drag-and-drop flows. I pulled up a product launch template, swapped in my own B-roll, and typed a short prompt into its AI script-to-video generator. It spat out a usable draft with suggested text animations and transitions in under 10 minutes. Why you'd use it? Scale and repeatability, especially if you produce dozens of social clips a week and need them to look polished. The catch is that it boxes you in, so if you want a unique structure or weird creative choices, you'll fight the templates. Next up is HeyGen, which you've probably seen a dozen creators using recently. This one solves a very specific pain, having to be on camera every single day. HeyGen gives you AI avatars and talking head generation so you can create presenter videos from simple text. The lip sync is impressive, and for tutorials or product explainers where the message matters more than micro expressions, it works. The downside is that the output still reads as generated on a personal level, so don't rely on it for intimate stories. Then there's Riverside, which tries to be the one-stop shop for recording, editing, and repurposing. I opened a recorded episode and the text-based editor made trimming unbelievably fast. Remove silences, strip filler words, and apply audio enhancement. Riverside's AI automates those chores. Where Riverside really shines is repurposing, specifically with their Magic Clips feature. It scans long-form content, picks the most engaging moments, and auto-generates short clips with captions. If your current problem is tool fragmentation, 5 logins, 5 exports, Riverside is the glue. On the other end of the spectrum is AI Master Pro with Clang 3.0, built for creators who want total control. Here you're generating cinematic assets like photoreal backgrounds and multi-angle sequences by writing precise prompts. You can generate bespoke B-roll and VFX that used to require a massive crew or a professional VFX artist. The weakness is that you need prompt discipline, as each render takes non-trivial processing time. Finally, there is a video.com, which is strictly an asset factory for quick experimentation. Need fast B-roll, thumbnails, or a batch of stylistic clips to test looks? AI Video is great. It's not an editor, and it's not a project manager. You generate, you download, and you assemble elsewhere. So which one should you actually use? It depends on your bottleneck. But there is one tool that handles the messy middle. That's where Vizard comes in, because it solves the headache that every creator hates. I'm not saying ditch the other tools, but Vizard nails the finding of viral moments inside hours of footage. 3 things Vizard nails: auto-edit viral clips, auto-schedule, and a content calendar that actually works. Auto-edit viral clips is the real time saver. It detects high engagement moments and auto-cuts them into ready-to-post clips. It doesn't just chop, it frames for vertical, adds captions, and gives you multiple headline options. Auto-schedule is the next multiplier, allowing you to set your posting frequency and time windows once. No more copy-paste scheduling or juggling multiple platform schedulers. And the content calendar is where Vizard pulls everything together, letting you manage, modify, and publish from one place. That means you can run consistent campaigns without 10 tabs open, and that recurring dread of not knowing what's going out today disappears. Vizard's niche is the messy pipeline between hour-long video and 30 highly shareable clips across platforms. A practical workflow I'd recommend: record and clean audio in Riverside if you need the recording tools. Pull that clean file into Vizard to auto-generate clips, and let Vizard schedule the posts. If you need cinematic one-offs, use AI Master Pro or AI Video to generate bespoke B-roll to slot into your top-performing clips. FlexClip can also be your fast assembly line for quick ad campaigns. Just feed it Vizard's viral cut as the hook. Like any AI that auto-edits, you'll want a quick human pass to ensure context isn't chopped too aggressively. But for 90% of creators who need volume, consistency, and a sane schedule, Vizard removes the biggest pain points. Bottom line, don't collect tools like trading cards. Identify your specific bottleneck and pick the platform that fixes it. If your problem is turning long videos into short, viral-ready content, Vizard is the one that changes how consistently you grow. If you're burning out on editing or tired of uploading snippets manually, give Vizard a shot. It doesn't claim to be the flashiest AI generator. It just finds your best moments and gets them live. Alright, that's the roundup. Pick the tool that solves your real problem and go make content, not post-production drama.